My name is Peter Nash, and I'm a project manager at Axis 41, a digital marketing agency specializing in all things related to the Adobe Marketing Cloud. You've probably heard a lot about Adobe Experience Manager, or maybe your boss just told you about AEM for the first time because your company bought it and now you need to get familiar with what it can do. Adobe has two main branches, the Creative Cloud and the Marketing Cloud. Within the Marketing Cloud, they currently have 8 different solutions. I say currently because it seems to change every year as they add more. Before we go any further, let's get some Adobe terminology straight. You'll hear me use the words solutions, capabilities, and features. Solutions are umbrella classifications that group certain technologies together. Capabilities are more closely thought of as the products. They are the standalone software that has specific functionality to do a specific thing. Features are the specific things that the software, or capabilities, actually does. Solutions have capabilities, capabilities have features. So what is AEM exactly? Well, originally it wasn't even AEM. It was owned by Day Software and called CQ, but through a series of acquisitions, Adobe purchased it and eventually rebranded it as Adobe Experience Manager in 2013. AEM is an enterprise-level content management system, also referred to as a web content management system, since it is mostly for the web. It is designed and marketed towards enterprise-level companies, mainly due to the price and the level of functionality that comes with the software. The Wikipedia page about CQ5 gave a good explanation of what AEM is. AEM is designed to enable users, mainly marketers and IT professionals, to create, edit, manage, and optimize websites across different digital channels. It's great to know what it is, but it can be even more helpful to know what something isn't. Adobe likes to use the phrase out of the box a lot. It gives people the impression that this is ready to work as soon as you buy it, but is not really ready to use the day you buy it. You need to configure things in order to get them set up and working the way you want them to function. It is a highly customizable system and the options are wide open. But if you think that you can just pop in your site and start creating content the moment you buy it, then you're in for a rude awakening. You are absolutely going to need developers or an implementation partner to get the final product you are hoping for. I like to call it feature-rich but setup poor. Yes, I know, that's a terrible saying. I'm boring at parties. It also isn't meant for small one-off websites. The amount of customization needed to gain the full effect of the software is a limiting factor, not to mention the price. Let's move on and talk about the specific capabilities. Adobe breaks down the AEM solution into 5 main capabilities: sites, assets, communities, forms, and mobile. Most people only use the sites and assets portion, and when we say AEM, that's usually what they are talking about. But it does contain more than just those two. We plan on going into a little bit more depth on each of the capabilities at a later date. In the meantime, if you have any feedback on this or anything related to AEM, feel free to contact us and we'll do our best to help. And if you're interested, check out our blog, aempodcast.com, where we discuss lots of technical issues related to AEM.